So hello guys, welcome to my channel and to this video. So I'm not sure if you're aware what I'm going to do in this video. So I'm going to create a look of Rihanna, so please keep watching. I'm going to do a red fringe skirt that was inspired by Rihanna's look. This is the look and she wore it to a nightclub. There are different ways of getting this fringe skirt, and the easiest one is open your computer, Google red fringe skirt buy, and there'll be pretty much a lot of results. So you can buy a red fringe skirt from, there's a lot of brands that sell this fringe skirt, and honestly there's a lot of brands that offer you affordable clothing at affordable price. So even buying the fabric and sew it myself doesn't mean like it's gonna be cheaper than if I would buy online, but I like wasting my time then, so I'm doing it myself. And by saying I'm doing it myself, it's not like, a lot of DIYs I see, it's they already has a fabric, not fabric, they already has a red skirt. They're just going to buy a fringe and just either take a hot glue or sew it straight into the skirt. So I'm buying a fabric in the fabric store. So I do have a small piece of fabric here, and I'm cutting the pattern and do it everything from scratch, like from zero, for this simple red fringe skirt where you can find it anywhere. Alright, so I mentioned I'm going to do it from zero. So I have a pattern already. So I bought this pattern from a fabric store. It says easy here, so it's easy pattern for someone who is learning how to sew clothes and already has a sewing machine. So I'm just going to cut the fabric with the pattern I have. First I tried it on to do on the cheap fabric, so I just cut it and on the cheap fabric. So I made a bendment to the pattern, so I have the pattern that of the skirt that perfectly fits me. So it's in case I don't lose weight or gain weight, like not do any changes or do any plastic surgery, this pattern is going to work for me. So cut the fabric, sew the patterns all together. I sew the fringe first, and then second what I did was a zipper. I sewed the zipper, and the last thing I combined all the pieces together and tried on, because the pattern I already adjusted for me. I don't have I tried it once and it fits perfectly, and I like the result. So here's the result of the skirt, and I'm pretty happy. That's the end of this video. It's pretty short. It's nothing very special. Not very detailed DIY describing every single step. So if you have any questions regarding this outfit or how I made it in particular, then you can ask in the section below. Or for example, if you want me to do any looks of any of the celebrities, I'm more than happy to do it. So I'm currently on the learning stage. I'm learning how to sew things, and over the time I'm developing my skills, and I can see improvements, and over the time I'll start doing a more complicated looks. So I do have some checklists what of the looks I have, and they're pretty complicated, but I'm when you're learning something, you start from easy. You start from easy and you go slowly to go to high. So because this fringe skirt was something easy to do, and I decided to do it first before moving on to something more complicated, but I'm getting there.